Hi guys, welcome to my first online course. In this video, I will teach you guys how to draw a Sufi figure. For that, we will be using a grid method. This canvas is 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I will now just draw the grid. So first you will need a 2B pencil and tape measure. So the total is this canvas is 16 by 20 inches canvas, cotton canvas. 16, 8, we will divide the whole canvas into 4 columns and 4 rows. It's 20, so here we go 10, 5, 15. If you want to work on a bigger canvas, you can work on that too, but it's better if you're trying for the first time to have a medium size canvas or a small size canvas. The suitable size is 16 by 20 inch. And one more thing, when you are drawing the grid, just make sure you don't put a lot of pressure on your pencil. Just draw it very smoothly and lightly. So I'm done with the grid, and now I will start the drawing. This method helps us draw very accurately and very correctly. Now I will start the drawing. So before you guys start your own drawing, make sure to observe the Sufi figure of my painting, and you can download the image of the painting from the description. I will leave the link. And make sure to enjoy the process. Don't be so hard on yourself. Just enjoy the process of this painting. I'm drawing very roughly, and when I hold my pencil from the end, it keeps the pressure very light, which helps me draw more accurately. So you should try this. So I'm done with the drawing and now I will start the painting.